When I finished high school, I went off to college and started gaining weight. I was married very early at 18, had my 2 girls at 21 and 23, and the weight just kept climbing.
I've always been heavy. I was always the heaviest in my class growing up. I had gone to Zumba. I've always watched what I ate, but I would lose the weight and then I would gain it back.
For over 30 years, I tried just about every diet there was to try, and they would be successful for a short period of time. And then even though you were doing what you were supposed to be doing, my body didn't like it, and I would start gaining the weight again. My daughter Victoria sustained a spinal cord injury and had gained quite a bit of weight and was having horrific pain.
The doctor suggested that I go for the surgery to hopefully get the weight off my body so my pain would lessen.
And I kind of thought, how can I ask her to do this if I'm not being my best self? And the day of the appointment, we went. He came into the room and I looked at him and I said, "Do families ever do this together?" And he's like, "Yeah, I'll go get your paperwork." And my journey began.
I thought it was just me, but then I was so glad when it was decided that she would do it as well because I had somebody to do it with me. It was really comforting that she was able to be there with me and we were able to talk about everything that was going on.
We could discuss things together. We were doing the same tests, seeing the same doctors. We went to all of our appointments together. The support groups were great. There was an education portion. Every meeting, they would have post-op patients get up and speak about their experience. And I remember as a pre-op patient sitting there listening to their stories, thinking, I can do this. I can be successful at having this surgery.
I've lost a total of 107 pounds.
I've lost a total of 206 pounds.
You have scale victories, but then there's also non-scale victories. And one of my non-scale victories was being able to go to a movie theater or the library and sit in a chair that has the armrests and my legs didn't touch.
There were things that I wanted to be able to do having lost the weight. The first was walking a 5K. So we had our surgery in December. That May, Victoria and I walked our first 5K. The next thing I wanted to do was be able to go horseback riding. So August, before she went back to school, we went on a horseback ride. Next on my list are zip lining and roller coasters.
They were so supportive of it. All the nurses that came in, they were like, "You're gonna do amazing."
I have recommended bariatric surgery. It was amazing.